I'm Joanna and I'm going to do a simple makeup look using Watson's cosmetic product. First up, Australia's Primer, a perfect product for a fresher complexions and long-lasting foundation. Next, Australia's Stay Put Foundation Nude. It is a long-lasting smudge-free foundation that contains SPF 15, antioxidants and moisturizing multivitamins, which gives you a matte finish. Then I will use Sezane UV Clear Face Powder, which helps to absorb sebum and softly blurs the pores. Followed by XL Eyebrow from Japan. It's a 3-in-1 eyebrow too, and the shades I'm using is PD01 Natural Brown. Next will be Rimmel Eyeshadow Palette. It complements all skin tones and eye color. Then I will use Silkygirl Matte Liquid Liner. It is smudge and waterproof. Lastly, to complete my look, I'll use a Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I'll be using Bling Bling 200. So here's my complete look. If you're interested to purchase any Watson's cosmetic product, Watson's will be having a promotion starting from 19 July 2018 at all Watson's outlets. So what are you waiting for? See you there!